says Chevron station / extra mile. And today we're going to be doing a car wash as these guys just pulled in, so we're going to have to wait for them once we finish up with the pump. And it appears to be, drum roll, Radius. It's a Ryko Radius. So someone's using it right now, but you see, notice how there's no floor treadle, just like the PDQ Laser Wash G5S. It's its competitor. And you see it's got a slimline dryer up there, which all the other ones I found here in the area has thrust pros or anything related to the matter. Telling you to drive forward. It's weird the dryers are still running. Notice how the dryers are still running. Oh, they have all the equipment in here. That was weird. Oh. Yeah, it's weird it adjusted itself during the pre-soak cycle. When usually when it adjusts to the pre-soak cycle, it'll do it before it starts anything.
Hey, Mama, they get messy.
That's probably one of the quickest washes of the car in front of us, though. Because I'm gonna guess they got the express. Then it'll let the pre-soak soak after it goes. Looks like they've just refilled the chemicals. Apparently. It'll let the pre-soak go to work. No, it's nothing's wrong. Tricolor. I've never seen that on a Ryko Radius before. At least not in my experiences. Looks like this side doesn't have enough of it. It looks like one of the nozzles is broken.
I don't like this one. I've never seen that before. No. 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 No.
That's where I have to. Yeah, that's where I just stopped halfway in the pack. Does it? I don't think it has enough Rain-X. Oh, it does. It just. Spotty coverage.
Can I unbuckle the bottom?
No, because we're going to drive through right now.
In a minute.
It's rotating.
It'll say spot-free rinse when the dryers are going to start up. This is just a regular rinse to get all the Rain-X off. No, my camera isn't picking up the display very well. Spot-free rinse, so it should be nice. Slow past the spot-free rinse.
Baba.
Can you be quiet, Brady, for a minute?
Come on.
Don't tap me, please. Stop. Fix it slowly. Compressor in the dryer in the bay. That's smoke? Oh, I saw smoke coming out. It could be, no, not out of the, it's coming from the, I hope my camera caught that. It could just be something. Could just be steam, I hope.
Still wet on that. Still wet on that.
Alright, that was it, guys.